How to turn off liquid glass in iOS 26. So if you've updated your iPhone and you don't like the look of the new layout, so if you want to go and get rid of all these different transparent menus, then I'm going to show you how to do this in just a couple easy steps. So although there's no official way to do this, there is kind of a workaround so we can change the layout back to its original state. So all you need to do is go and open up the settings on your phone. You can then scroll down and click on accessibility. You can then click on display and text size, and then click on the box next to reduce transparency. Now once you've done that, you can head back over to your home screen, and now if you go and open up one of your folders, you can see this has removed the transparency effect. Now you can also make the icons a bit easier to see on the home screen as well, and you can do that just by holding your finger down somewhere on the home screen. You can then click on edit in the top left hand side and click on customize. Now you can go and select from one of the themes to customize your icons. So for example, I could go and select dark. You can also click on tinted and you can go and select your own custom color for your icons, and that's just another way to make it easier to see in the new iOS 26. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.